Hey besties, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. Of course, we are going to speak on some new releases that are coming out soon from Louis Vuitton. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
Before we get started, I want to first thank everyone that was rooting for me for the entire month of October. I switch bags every day. So that was 31 handbags from my collection that I actually hardly use or I never used before. It wasn't hard because I knew exactly which bags I didn't use, but the thing is, I still feel the same way about the handbags. I think they are still going to sit in my closet unused. I really have to do something about that. So I might just, not start a new page, but I have to do something to where I can just get rid of these handbags. I'd rather them be in a home and be properly loved the way they deserve to be loved, because they're loved here, but they are just sitting, okay? I'm gonna have to figure out something to get rid of some of these handbags. So again, thank you guys so much for cheering me on. And for those that did this challenge with me, thank you for sending me your pictures. We did it. Okay, so first I want to speak on the Excursion PM Backpack that's coming out November 3rd. I want to tell you this. I showed you guys a picture and also a video. Looking at the video, I honestly thought it was treated vachetta. Why? I don't know. Maybe I was just hoping for treated vachetta because it is trimmed in vachetta. And as far as traveling goes, I try to stay clear. I just try to stay clear of it. I really, really do. I try to stay clear of vachetta, period, because I know I'm taking the items out, especially when it's carry on. I'm taking my items out. I have to put them in the bins. I have to put them back on. It's just so much in so many different hands. I don't want to deal with vachetta. So for me, that is a big no. I am just going to stick with my Montsuri PM backpack that I have in monogram in black. Now, if this came with black leather or treated vachetta, it would have most definitely been a great buy. The price, $3,350. I don't understand why a PM backpack is priced so high, but again, we're not going to even say it. You already know what LV is doing and what they have going on. But again, to me, it's a good buy if you are okay with traveling with vachetta. But as far as me, and like I said, my kids and how I travel, I most definitely need carefree handbags and carefree backpacks. I only have one backpack, which is the Montsuri BB that's in vachetta, and the patina has already set in. I don't even use it. I try to stay clear away from it. So again, release launch date November 3rd. Very beautiful. I love the chain strap. I love the added chain strap, but I also can add a chain strap to my Montsuri backpack. So that gave me an idea. I'm going to just add my own chain. The straps being detachable, yes, that is a plus. I do love that. So LV, they were thinking good ideas. The two front pockets I absolutely love. I have two phones. That is just a perfect travel piece minus the vachetta. That's it, guys. That's the only thing. So if you are interested in purchasing, it will be available, or of course you can just pre-order through your CA. Some people said they even went to boutique. They had displays out where you can go and try it on if you want. The inside brown textile material, and it does have a side compartment as well. Okay, moving on. I want to speak on this key pouch here, this denim key pouch. This is absolutely gorgeous. You guys know I am a big die-hard denim anything. I don't care what brand it is. But this is absolutely adorable. So before I even go further into details on this beauty, I am going to start off with the product code number so you can take this to your CA and just basically say, hey, I want this, because it's going to sell out. Product code number is M as in Marquita, 82961. I am going to tell you now, yes, I do have 2 key ring holders. I do. This is different. Okay, this is a key pouch. This is different. I don't have to put my key in this, my key fob in this, okay? I want this to simply add as decor. I want to attach it to my denim jeans. I want to attach it to some of my handbags. I want to be just real creative with this piece. And I deserve it. We all deserve it until we find out the price. Guys, they better not do us wrong on this, because we need this piece. This entire denim blue line is going to be hot, and release date right now is showing, launch date is January the 1st. To be honest, I heard that it's going to be released sooner. Again, I have 4 different CAs that tell me 4 different dates. This is all the time. I don't know what LV is doing with training, but I always receive different launch dates and different prices. But hey, long as we get the pictures and we know what to expect, hopefully this makes it out of production. Let's hope, okay? Fingers crossed. But this is absolutely beautiful. Let me know if this is something that you are interested in. My favorite part is the inside lining. They went all out. They went all out. The inside lining matches the outside, and this is beautiful. This is perfect. I have no complaints. The gold hardware is just shining so beautifully on this piece. This is honestly everything. This is, when I speak of denim, this is what I speak of. The little piece of vachetta, guys, that's not bad. It's a piece of vachetta in the inside as well, but this isn't bad at all. I cannot wait to see the rest of the handbags from this denim blue line. So again, let me know. I gave you the product code number. Is this something that you are interested in? Because I know I surely am. And do we need this? Do we need this? Let me know. Okay, so guys, let's move on. You guys know I have to talk about this. I posted this in my stories. I also posted this on YouTube. I called it the Louis Birkin Vuitton. Yes, this looks like a Birkin handbag, guys. I don't know what's going on. A lot of us say that each brand, they're just copying off of each other, which, guys, that's how it is. Honestly, that's just how it is. But this is very classy. This is upscale. This screams wealthy. This does scream, hey, move out the way. But for me, in my opinion, guys, please don't come for me. In my opinion, it speaks old lady. I don't want to offend anyone. I'm 40. My kids say I'm old. But just me carrying this handbag, I don't know. It wouldn't work for me, okay? And I'm not even a fan of Birkin handbags. I think they all look the same. I don't even understand the hype. I really don't. But again, it's coming out, and this is with silver hardware. Yeah, launch date November 16th. But check out these prices, guys. Whew. Crazy, insane. And yes, it's because of the leather. Okay, the black MM size is $9,850, okay? Wow. The GM size is $10,800. And then the khaki MM, guys, is $9,850. This is something else. This is something. The 2 colors, very cute. I actually love the khaki because I am just filled with black handbags. The silver hardware, I would say that was a right move. The inside, very roomy. It does have a side zipper compartment. Of course, it comes with a matching leather strap. And again, it's only because of the leather, that's why the price is high like it is. But this most definitely is, it looks like a Birkin. When I first seen it, before I seen any title, I was scrolling through, and then when my CA sent it via text, I was just like, what in the world is this? I say, this is an LV handbag? And she was like, Marquita, I knew you would flip out. I was like, are you serious? And she said, yes. She said, I couldn't wait to show you. This is most definitely a Birkin, a Louis Birkin Vuitton that we are getting. These prices are crazy that they are spitting out. It is insane. You guys let me know. Like I said, it's only my opinion. I don't know. I love huge, you know, large handbags now. I was in love with smaller handbags. I love the large handbags, but for this, it just, that's what it screams to me. It just screams older lady. And I'm 40 and I'm just trying to just stay as young as possible, okay? So, not to offend anyone, it's just my opinion. You let me know what you think about it. Do you feel the same? Is this something that you are interested in? As far as me, I think even if the price wasn't priced so high, I most definitely still would pass on it. It's just not my thing, okay? It's not my look. I also want to speak on this. I love this so much. This is the LV Monogram Milky Rainbow. And shout out to info.lv because I didn't even see this in my lookbook. But this is actually very, very cute. I love this so much. Look at the color. It's like a mint green. Okay, it's like a mint green. Very cute. Launch date December 1st, 2023. If you are an SLG collector, you are going to love this. It reminds me so much of the Recto card holder, but it's not. The price, I would say, is reasonable for an SLG. $415. Product code number M82939. This is cute with the monogram, guys. I love this. With the gold hardware, this is cute. Oh, yeah. I like this. This is nice, okay? So the mint color with the monogram, I will most definitely say it's a go. And the SLGs, Louis Vuitton has been very generous, honestly, with the prices. It's just the handbags. What is going on? So maybe we just need to convert all the SLGs. I don't know what else we can do. Honestly, I don't know what else we can do at this point, okay? And there was one more that I want to speak on and get you guys' opinion. I'm not sure how you feel about it, but the wallet on chain, the Matisse. Okay, these are so cute. I'm telling you now, they are so cute, but I just feel like we are still getting the same handbags. But for some reason, this right here caught my eye. I'm not sure why. It could be the shape of the handbag, but this is in cream here. Like I said, it could be the shape. Release date November 3rd. This is under $2,000. So if you are now entering the LV community, the luxury community, and you are looking for a smaller crossbody and under the $2,000 range, I think this will be perfect for you. So this is the wallet on chain Matisse in the color cream. Price $1,920. Of course, with tax, it is going to be over $2,000. But if you can't afford the tax added on to this, you shouldn't get the handbag anyway. I'm just being honest with you, okay? But this is a cute crossbody. It comes with a chain strap, and that chain strap looks very thick. I love that. The S-lock closure on the front. The gold hardware is just, oh man. Something with this cream and gold I absolutely love and adore. Inside, it does come with a side compartment. I'm not sure how restrictive it is. Most definitely not going to be able to fit a phone inside. Probably a thin card holder or, you know, a few cards inside. But it has one open compartment. I'm pretty sure you can get your phone in and probably a mini pochette and about 2 more other items. But again, you are looking for a smaller crossbody under $2,000. I think this would be perfect. I think this would be perfect for you. Of course, guys, this was my favorite. I thought this was black until I actually look at the description of it. This is a blue shimmery. So this is like a dark, dark, dark navy blue. And I think it's going to look beautiful, honestly, in person. So this is not black. Same price, $1,920. And this is a carefree. If you don't want to worry about the cream and color transfer, this is very, very cute here as well. Again, so this is a dark, dark blue color. Same interior. I will go with this one before the cream, even though I love the cream because of the gold hardware. But again, with it being your first purchase, you want it to last very, very long. You want to, you know, get use out of the handbag. So this blue most definitely will be something you probably want to look into, okay? So guys, let me know how you feel about these handbags that I spoke on. And I'm really, like I said, interested in the denim blue collection that's coming out. If you honestly love the Louis Birkin Vuitton, let me know in the comments. Of course, I wouldn't purchase, like I said, even if the price was cheaper. It's just most definitely not my thing. So again, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Mwah. Bye-bye.